Want a garden that's the envy of the neighborhood this spring? You're in luck! Today, I'm sharing 10 Zone 7B spring gardening hacks to save you time, money, and stress. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will have your garden thriving in no time. From soil secrets to pest control, I've got everything you need to grow like a pro. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. Your garden will thank you later. Ready to get started? Let's go! Hey there, garden friends! If you're in Zone 7B, you know our springs can be unpredictable, warm one day and frosty the next. But don't worry, I've got your back. These 10 hacks are designed to help you work smarter, not harder, so you can enjoy a stunning garden without the guesswork. Whether you're growing veggies, flowers, or both, these tips will set you up for success. From prepping your soil to keeping pests at bay, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. The best part? These hacks are simple, practical, and perfect for gardeners of all levels. So, if you're ready to grow like a pro this spring, let's get started. Hack 1. Soil testing made simple. First things first, let's talk about your soil. Think of it as the foundation of your garden. If it's not solid, everything else falls apart. Testing your soil is simple, and your plants will thank you for it. Grab a home testing kit from your local garden center, follow the instructions, and you'll know exactly what your soil needs. Is it too acidic? Add lime. Too alkaline? Add sulfur. This small step makes a huge difference in giving your plants the best start possible. Plus, it saves you time and money in the long run. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's move on to the next hack. Hack 2. Amend your soil like a pro. Now that you know what your soil needs, it's time to feed it. Think of your soil as a buffet for your plants. It needs to serve up all the right nutrients. Add compost for organic matter, mulch to retain moisture, and fertilizers to boost growth. If your soil is too acidic, sprinkle some lime. Too alkaline? Add sulfur. It's all about balance. Think of it as providing your plants with the perfect nutrients. Healthy soil means healthy plants, and healthy plants mean a thriving garden. Ready to take your soil to the next level? Let's keep going. Hack 3. Zone 7B planting calendar. Timing is everything in gardening. Plant too early and you'll battle frost. Plant too late and you'll miss the spring growing window. Here's a quick guide. Start cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, and peas in early spring. Warm season plants like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers should wait until after the last frost, usually around mid-April. Mark your calendar and you'll be golden. If you're unsure, check your local frost dates or use a gardening app. Getting the timing right means healthier plants and a bigger harvest. Ready to plan like a pro? Let's move on to the next hack. Hack 4. Container gardening for small spaces. No yard? No problem. With a few containers and some creativity, you can grow a ton of veggies and flowers even on a balcony. Use pots with good drainage, fill them with quality soil, and choose compact varieties like cherry tomatoes, dwarf peppers, or herbs like basil and parsley. You can even stack pots vertically or use hanging baskets to save space. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces and gives you total control over soil and sunlight. Plus, it's a great way to add greenery to patios or decks. Ready to grow big in small spaces? Let's keep going! But wait, before you start planting, here's a game-changing tip that'll save you time. Stick around. This next hack is a must-know for busy gardeners. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hack 5. Water-wise gardening tips. Water is precious, especially in spring. Here's how to keep your garden hydrated without wasting a drop. Use drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots. Mulch your beds with straw or wood chips to lock in moisture. And if you're feeling fancy, set up a rain barrel to collect free water. These tips not only save water, but also save you time and money. Plus, your plants will thrive with consistent moisture. Ready to make your garden water-wise? Let's move on to the next hack. Hack 6. Companion planting secrets. Did you know some plants are best friends? Pairing them together can keep pests away and help them grow better. For example, plant marigolds with tomatoes to deter nematodes or grow basil near peppers to improve their flavor. Carrots love growing with onions and cucumbers thrive next to beans. It's like a garden party where everyone thrives together. Companion planting not only boosts plant health, but also maximizes your garden space. Ready to create a thriving plant community? Let's keep going. Hack 7, Pest Control Made Easy. Pests driving you crazy? Try these natural remedies to keep them out of your garden. Spray aphids with a mix of water and a few drops of dish soap. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around plants to stop slugs in their tracks. Invite beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to feast on pests. You can also plant garlic or chives near vulnerable plants to repel insects. It's all about working with nature, not against it. These solutions are safe, effective, and eco-friendly. Ready to reclaim your garden? Let's move on to the next hack. Hack 8, Extend your growing season. Want to keep your garden thriving longer? Here's how to extend your growing season and protect your plants from frost. Use row covers or cold frames to shield plants from chilly nights. Plant fall crops like kale, carrots, and broccoli in late summer for a second harvest. You can also use mulch to insulate the soil and keep roots warm. With a little planning, you can enjoy fresh produce well into fall. It's like giving your garden a bonus round. Ready to stretch your harvest? Let's keep going. Hack 9, Composting. Turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold with this simple composting guide. Start with a mix of green waste, like veggie peels and coffee grounds, and brown waste, like dried leaves and cardboard. Keep it moist, turn it regularly, and in a few months, you'll have rich, nutrient-packed compost. It's recycling at its finest. Compost improves soil structure, retains moisture, and feeds your plants naturally. Plus, it reduces waste and saves you money on fertilizers. Ready to turn trash into treasure? Let's move on to the final hack. Hack 10, Pollinator-Friendly Gardening. Pollinators are essential for a thriving garden. Here's how to create a welcoming habitat for them. Plant flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and zinnias to attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Avoid pesticides and leave some bare soil for ground nesting bees. You can also add a shallow water source like a bird bath with stones for them to drink. A happy pollinator means a happy garden with better yields and healthier plants. It's a win-win for you and the environment. Ready to make your garden a pollinator paradise? Let's wrap things up. Before we wrap up, here's one last hack that'll transform your garden. Don't miss it. This final tip is a game changer for anyone looking to take their gardening to the next level. Stick around because you won't want to skip this one. And there you have it, 10 Zone 7 Bee Spring Gardening Hacks to help you grow like a pro this season. From testing your soil and amending it with the right nutrients to extending your growing season and creating a pollinator-friendly space, these tips will set you up for success. Remember, gardening is all about working smarter, not harder. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try. Share your own gardening secrets too. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Until next time, keep growing and glowing.